Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to change Instagram profile to creator account. In 2026, switching to an Instagram creator account is a free process that unlocks professional tools like detailed insights, the professional dashboard, and advanced monetization features like subscriptions and badges. Now to switch your account to creator account, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon located on the bottom right corner. From there, tap on these three horizontal lines or menu icon. From there, you should be able to find professional tools option under settings and privacy, or what you can do is just tap on this search button, then type in account type and tools. Now once you head there, you should be able to find your account type. Go ahead and tap on it and you should be able to switch your account from personal to professional. Now I have already set it to professional, so I won't need to do so, but once you click on it, you should be able to switch it. Now once you switch your account to professional, head back and choose your category. Now once you choose your category that best describes your work, like digital creator, artist, or even blogger. And once you choose, you can also show this label on your profile, just like this. And when prompted to choose between business and creator, select creator. Now follow the remaining prompts to complete your profile setup, and once finished, you'll be able to see this professional dashboard at the top of your profile. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.